Okay, so I guess I'll just quickly show my changes for this. So yeah, I'm in the user sign up right now. And I'll just come back to here. I'll just use an email. I'll just see. I'll just pick an email that is not being used before. Um, and yeah, and then password as well. Now continue country and pretty much just select everything that we can. First name. Okay, I need to think of a name. Okay. Okay, Sarah. Finally found a name. Now I need to find some text. So let me just find out some text. Let's copy some text, and then I'll come back here. Oh, sorry. I'll just. Is that gonna work? No, I'm just not sure, but just copy this, paste it in. Some date of birth. Yeah, continue. So select the photo. Photo. I'll just find out a photo. Use this. Yep, it worked out. Photo. Yeah. So now as we continue, so yep, our thing is successful. So what I'm do, I'll just log in as the so pretty much go to the control panel. It is user manage member. So this is there. It's fine. So member profile photo. So that's me. Prove it. Hang on a moment. Cool. So now I will go to manage members. I'll click the Sarah. I can see that Sarah is here, so which is quite good. So I can view the profile. I go manage member again. I go feature. All good. Verify. All good. Yeah, all good. So yeah, that's the fix for that one. Alright. And yeah. Okay. So now I have my Sarah here. Now I'm gonna go to manage member profile photo and I'm gonna approve this. So yeah, so pretty much as I approve, everything should work. And yeah, that's pretty much it.